Hello and welcome to Studyzones. In this video, I have solved some quadratic equations based questions for you. By following the method here, you will be able to solve these equations very quickly. This type of questions are very frequently asked in all banking exams. With practice, you can solve these questions in just few seconds. Let's solve our first question now and observe the steps carefully. So this is our first example. In this, we are given two equations, equation 1 and 2, and we have to solve for x and y and then compare the values of x and y accordingly. So let's take the first equation, x square plus x minus 56 equals to 0. Now here, first of all, multiply the coefficient of x square with minus 56. So you will be getting minus 56. Now factorize minus 56 into 2. That is 7 8s minus 56. No, it's not minus 56. For getting minus 56, one of these terms should be negative. But which one? This we will see here. Now their sum should be equal to the coefficient of x, that is 1. So 8 plus minus 7 gives you 1. So the 7 is a negative term. So we, while getting our final answer, x1 equals to plus 7, we have to change the sign while we are writing our final answer. Negative becomes positive and positive becomes negative. So x2 equals to minus 8. Now let's solve our second equation. Y square minus 17y plus 72 equals to 0. Now multiply these two, you will be getting 72. Now factorize 72, that is 8 9s are 72. Now you have to get the sum of minus 17. So to get the sum of minus 17, these two terms have to be negative. So minus 8 plus minus 9, both of these terms are negative and you are getting 72. So now while writing the final answer, always remember changing the sign. Minus 8 becomes plus 8 and y2 equals to plus 9. Now let's compare these two. We will be comparing x1 with y1 and y2, x2 with y1 and y2. So x1 equals to plus 7, y1 equals to 8, 7, y2 9, minus 8, plus 8, minus 8, 9. So 8 is greater than 7, 9 is greater than 7, plus 8 is greater than minus 8, 9 is greater than minus 8. So finally we are getting that x is less than y. So our answer is this third option, x is less than y. Now let's move to the second question. This is our example 2. Now in this there are also two equations. So let's solve the first one. 2x square minus 8 root 2 x plus 15 equals to 0. Now first of all, multiply the coefficient of x square with 15, you get 30. Now in these types of option where you have root 2, always keep that in mind. Write root 2 as it is here. Means you have to write the root term as it is here and then solve the question. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into something should give you 30 and that something here is 15. Now factorize 15, 5 into 3. So and their sum should be equal to this minus 8. So minus 8, we can get minus 8 by adding minus 5 plus minus 3. So both of terms are negative. Just write these terms as it is with the root 2 minus 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2. and here the coefficient of x square is 2, so you have to divide this whole term by 2 and this term by 2. So the final answer you will be getting y1 equals to plus 5 root 2 by 2 and x2 equals to 3 root 2 by 2. The sign changes from negative to positive. Keep that in mind. Now let's solve our second equation. Y square plus 5 root 3 y minus 42 equals to 0. Now multiply the coefficient of y square with minus 42, you will be getting minus 42. Now just write the root term here as it is, root 3, root 3. Now root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 3 into something should give you minus 42 and that something is minus 14. Now factorize 14 into 2, that is 7 to the 14 and their sum should give you 5 plus 5. So 5 equals to 7 plus minus 2. Now to get minus 14, one of these terms should be negative. The negative term from here we can see that it's minus 2. Now just write 7 with this root 3 and minus 2 with this one. So our final answer is y1 equals to minus 7 root 3 and y2 equals to minus plus 2 root 3. Always note that the sign changes. Positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. Now comparison so that we can reach a final answer. So the value of root 2 is equal to 1.414, which is equivalent to 1, and root 3 equals to 1.73, which is equivalent to 2. Now the values of x1 and x2 should be 5 into root 2, that is 1 divided by 2 equals to 2.5, and similarly x2 equals to 1.5. Now same with y1, minus 7 into 2 equals to minus 14 and y2 equals to plus 2 into 2 equals to 4. Now let's compare x1 with y1, x1 with y2 and x2 with both y1 and y2. So 2.5 x1 and y1 equals to minus 14, 2.5, 4, 1.5 minus 14, 1.5, 4. Now 2.5 is greater than minus 14 and 4 is greater than 2.5, 1.5 is greater than minus 14 and 4 is greater than 1.5. So here we are not reaching to any conclusion, so we can say that the relationship cannot be established. So the final answer is option number 5, that is this relationship cannot be established. Thank you students, I hope this will help you in your exam. Please do subscribe, like and share. Good luck from Studyzones.